see mommy? I see you. I see you with the slides on. Huh?
Hey, handsome. Hey, handsome. You got your steering wheel? You gonna drive off on them too? Why your foot on the steering wheel though? Your foot's supposed to be on the gas. Ringo. Yeah, tell him to move out your way. Get out the way. Soldier boy coming through. You don't watch the verses?
Alright, y'all. I got my radio for Vic in the mail today. A little cheap little radio from Amazon.
It's blurry.
It's an S on the front. SJoybring. Okay, we're gonna go with that. But yeah, it's a little touchscreen double din radio. It's supposed to come with Apple CarPlay. Comes with radio. Remote. Reverse camera inputs. I gotta order a camera to go with the car. But
go with the radio?
Huh?
One to go with the radio?
Well, to go with the car with the radio.
Oh.
Of course, it comes with this little diagram to show you stuff. Got the installation manual. We got the wiring harness. The remote. There goes D. Come help us today.
Because he can't do it on his own.
Oh, actually, it does come with a camera. I believe. I think this is a camera. Right there. To install. The little, what up? Brackets, the mounting brackets. And of course, I got a little power tool. And of course, the radio itself.
You know he's trying to record.
So D's here. What's up?
Uncle D. D-Bomb.
D-Bomb.
We ain't doing that at the airport.
But he's coming to help me install this today. Got all the little. This is basically it. Got all the inputs I need for the video, amp, camera, subwoofer, and then the input for the factory harness. So you ready to get this started?
Yeah, I gotta finish the text message.
We here now.
Priorities.
Levi, you gonna help us?
Nope. He said yeah.
Job for them all. What you looking for? So what you looking for? I'll make sure everything is in there. Yeah. So D gonna start. First thing I'm gonna do is take the battery and cable loose. Why you gotta take this? Take positive or negative, don't really matter.
Hey, if I touch this, it's gonna shock me.
Go ahead,
You want both on for him?
no, just saying, pull it loose. You gotta take all the way out there. You gotta take one off.
Oh, cool.
You took the positive terminal off. Next thing we gotta do, start taking the panels loose. Get a flathead screwdriver. In order to take this out, we gotta take all this. First start with popping this loose. Pop this out. We pry these sides off so we can get to this. There's 2 bolts underneath. So we got the radio installed. Still gotta get the trim piece to go around the front of it. We got the wiring hooked up. We also got the camera. Also got the camera installed right there. Went ahead and just drilled 2 holes to hold it. Then behind the tag, there's a, probably you ain't gonna see it, but right in the middle of the tag, right in this area, drilled the hole behind it, ran the wire going through where the factory wires run, all through here, run it down. Gotta cut the zip ties. Connected the red and white, I mean the positive and negative to the tail light. Then we got the other set of wires running to the front. Right now he's taking the trim pods off, or trim pieces off. Taking the trim pieces off so it can run this wire underneath all this to the back of the radio. Alright, so everything's installed. Probably can't see it, the glare from the dome light. But everything installed, I checked it, it works out. I mean, everything works. I'm liking it, especially for the price. Like I said, I still got to get this trim piece. But right now, I just got to finish putting everything else back together. Get everything cleaned up. What up, y'all? I guess spent a little bit of time with Vic. Like I said before, I'm not gonna put too much money into Vic. It's just like a budget bill per se. So I got like a little bit of stereo equipment just sitting around the garage. Probably some like 2 subs, speaker box stuff. So what I'm gonna try to do is use as much as I got that in my garage is sitting around to get a stereo system put in here. Nothing too major, something simple. 2 12s, little amp. I already got the radio installed, but I did have this box. It's kind of used, but still works. A little port in the middle. I got 2 DS 18s sitting around. Actually, I got 4, but 2 of them are still in my other vehicle. I have these 2 left. So yeah, I'm just gonna put those 2 in this box. See what I can do with what I got. I got a couple terminals just sitting around, little wires. So I'm gonna see what I can do with what I got before I have to spend any kind of money. What's up, y'all? So, excuse me. Right here, I don't know what happened to the rest of my footage and stuff, so I'm just gonna let y'all know what happened. So right now, I just basically took the passenger and driver seat out. There's like 4 bolts on each seat. Underneath there, I gotta vacuum it out. Good thing I did take it out. Go ahead and get that cleaned up. These plugs right here, they are the airbag plugs. There's 2 on each side. The yellow one, basically you pull, it has a little spring tool, you pull it, pop it out. The blue one has like a little clip on it. You push down on it, pull it out. Just make sure if you ever take airbag stuff like that loose, it's best to make sure you always have your battery cables on hooked, because you never want to take it loose. They still hooked up and then it just goes off. But for the most part, it wasn't that hard to get out. Those 4 bolts, unplug those, pull the seats out, simple. Alright, so I went ahead to send a console out. It's basically 2 bolts that go right there. I think it's 1 that's in the middle console, 4 little pins that go in the back, and then I think it's 2 more. It's supposed to be 2 in the front, which I only have 1, and it's 2 little Phillips head screws that go right behind the cup holder right here. But I went ahead, took this out, cleaned it up a little bit, went ahead and painted it. But this is how it is after that. And here it is after I got it painted. I went ahead and also installed a toggle switch for my LED lights. I have underneath the dashboard. And I also installed a shifter knob that I like, the little silver one right there. It actually has a blue LEDs. You can turn it on and off. I got everything installed. I was really satisfied. And that's just everything put together. I still got to get the trim for the radio, but got the center console back together. Got the light installed, the toggle switch. Got the blue, got all the wires hidden, so there's no wires showing. Looks nice and clean. Got everything cleaned up. Got the seats back installed. Make sure when you install those seats, you do not forget to hook those airbags up. And right now I'm just showing you the trim piece I still need. That's my shifter right there. Press that little button in the middle a couple times, it lights up and flashes and stuff. Got a clean, nice little button in there. But appreciate everybody for watching. Click the like, subscribe. Next time I'll try to make sure I have all the footage for y'all. And I'll holler at y'all later.